He's driving Tash.
And Akita. There, Akita. Bonjour, Akita, Japanese. And you are hooting the horn.
I think that's, what would you say it is?
Do it again. Come on, we'll be doing. You won't do it when I'm filming, will we? Hey.
You're gonna beat that horn?
You're gonna beep it?
Did you get back in the car, you beat the horn?
Well, yeah, as soon as I turn the camera off, you're vegan key, vegan dog, but that one is a woofer. Come on, hoot it for me. Oh, he thinks he's driving. Whoa, 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 whoa. Never mind, he won't do it now. Oh, there's a bit of snow on. Snow, la neige. Well, I missed all the... Didn't get the camera on it early enough. There we go. Llangollen. You see all sorts. Dogs driving even in Llangollen. Right, well. Right. And we've just been to George Cafe. This is a very good car park, much cheaper than Chester. Oh, we stopped now, that's boring. Right, okay, my ultimate scout kit.